Hi guys, it's Danielle and Kendall here from My Curly Sis. Wanted to welcome you back to our channel. I know it's been quite some time since we filmed a tutorial, but we're back. A lot has changed. Kendall is now 7 years old. It was just your birthday. And as you see, I have undergone some changes to my hair and just wanted to come back and give you more tutorials. We also have big news. We have started a vlog channel, a family vlog. It's called Love Those Tailors here on YouTube. So if you could head over to that channel and check it out and subscribe, you'll get to know more about our family, to see how to achieve this style. Turn to the side. The bun mohawk is what we're gonna call it, right? It's cute, really cute. I'll be starting on stretched out dry hair. I'm gonna spritz it with water and massage it in from roots to ends. Then I'm gonna part my first section. I'll clip that section out of the way before I begin on the next section, and then the next, until I have 4 equal sized sections. With the top 3 sections clipped out of the way, I'll start with the back section, moisturizing with water first. Then I'll do the light detangling before I add in styling cream. See the description box for details about this particular product. This is not my go-to product, I just wanted to use it up to avoid becoming a product junkie. I'll be using Curl's Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste for edge control. Now this is my go-to for edge control. Y'all, I love this stuff. It does not leave any flakes. There's no buildup. You can apply it every day with no problems. I'm going to do a 2-strand twist for this section. And because Kendall's hair likes to curl back up on itself, I make sure I detangle it as I go down the twist. On to the next section. I'm going to pretty much do the same thing I did to the first section, except for I'm going to make 2 twists coming from the one ponytail, since this section it has a lot more hair. Notice my technique with the Denman brush. I'm pulling the tangles from the roots out. I'm applying extra moisturizer to the ends to make sure they're well coated. That's the oldest part of the hair, so we want to make sure that it's well moisturized. Don't mind the extra product at the end, it will quickly absorb. I'm pulling the hair as far back in this section as I can to make it as close to the section below it. This will give that continuous look when we connect each section's twist. Let the pinning begin. In this, I just kind of freestyle it. I'm just going with the way that the hair is naturally turning. I want the twists to come as close to one another as possible so that I can pin each section together to give a continuous look. Here I'm manipulating the twists so that they come together, and then I'm pinning them that way so that they stay. Get that baby hair right so we can finish this style. I add a couple clips for decoration. I like to use a cute knit headband to keep her head and ears warm in the colder months. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. A lot has changed in our lives and in our family. If you want to hear more about those, go ahead and head over to Love Those Tailors YouTube channel and join us on our family vlog. Please subscribe.
Love those tailors. See the vlog. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, anyway, I can tell you something. I love pizza. But I don't know if we're gonna have pizza right now. So, anyway, back to me and my mom.
Maybe I should have said Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, by the way.
Happy New Year. I know it's been a while since we've filmed. I know it's been a while, but we're back. Come on.
Dude, you say things over and over.